Mastering culinary phrases. Understanding slow-cooked ribs. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious and popular phrase in English, slow-cooked ribs. Whether you're a food enthusiast or simply curious about English culinary terms, this video will help you understand not just what this phrase means, but also why it's so important in certain cuisines. Let's unravel the layers of flavor and meaning in slow-cooked ribs. The phrase, slow-cooked ribs, might sound straightforward, but it holds a lot of meaning. Slow-cooked refers to the process of cooking food at a low temperature for a long duration. This method is often used to tenderize tougher cuts of meat. Ribs, on the other hand, are a type of meat cut from the ribcage of an animal, usually pork or beef in culinary contexts. When we say slow-cooked ribs, we're talking about ribs that have been cooked slowly, ensuring they are flavorful, tender, and fall off the bone delicious. Slow cooking is all about patience and allowing the flavors to develop and meld together over time. This method breaks down the tough fibers in the ribs, making them tender and juicy. The low and slow process also allows the spices and seasonings to penetrate deep into the meat, creating a complex and rich flavor profile. Understanding this will not only help you appreciate the phrase, slow-cooked ribs, but also give you insight into a fundamental cooking technique. In many cultures, particularly in American Southern cuisine, slow-cooked ribs are a staple. They are not just food, they're a part of tradition and family gatherings. Barbecue ribs, often slow-cooked, are central to many celebrations and social gatherings. So, this phrase doesn't just describe a cooking method or a dish, it also evokes a sense of community and warmth. I hope this delicious journey through the meaning of slow-cooked ribs has been enlightening and enjoyable. Understanding phrases like this can enrich your vocabulary and also give you a glimpse into the culture and traditions behind the language. Until our next culinary English adventure, keep savoring the flavors of language and culture.